Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the fire and smoke detection system using Python. So it works on the video, image and the live camera. Let's give that particular input video, and in that video it will process and detect the fire, and it will show with the accuracy. Like once the fire got detected, then it will send the alert on email. Okay. Right now it is detecting the fire from the video. The video ended. Now let's check the mail. Just go back and click on refresh button. We can see the first alert. Let's scroll down. Like these are the previous mail. Okay. You can see it will show with the detection type like fire or smoke, location, coordinates, and time. Okay. Now it works on the camera like real-time laptop front camera. So it will open the laptop front camera and it will detect the fire or smoke. Like I'm showing one image from the internet, and it is detecting the fire with the accuracy percentage and the smoke. You can show any image from the internet, or you can show it from the dataset. Okay, and it will send the alert on mail ID. Let's refresh it. Okay, scroll down. It will show that particular image in the alert email like detection type, location, coordinates, and time. You can also zoom that particular image of alert. So this project developed using Python programming language, and Tkinter is used to develop the user interface, graphical user interface. Okay, so this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.